The Excerpt macro in Confluence allows you to highlight specific content on a page and display it elsewhere in Confluence, making it ideal for summaries, key points, or repeated information. Here's how to use it. Add the Excerpt macro to a page. While editing a Confluence page, place your cursor where you want to add the excerpt. Click on the plus icon or type /excerpt to search for the Excerpt macro. Select it to insert onto the page. Insert content in the Excerpt box. After the Excerpt macro is inserted, you will see a box where you can add text, images, tables, or any other information you want to reuse. Only this content will be shown when using the macro elsewhere. Display the excerpt on another page. Go to the page where you want the excerpt to appear. Use the Excerpt include macro and select the original page with the excerpt. This will pull the content from the Excerpt macro on the original page and display it on the new page. Save and view. Once done, save both pages. The content will now appear on the new page, and any updates to the original excerpt will automatically reflect where the Excerpt include is used.